Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox Microsoft Store crashing. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox Microsoft Store crashing, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that, in this page you will click on Roblox and you will enter. Here in this page we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we click storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache, and in the end you can go to your airplane mode. You will turn on, then you can wait a moment and you can turn off your airplane again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.